This is the demo for Tweet Spaces, a web app for anyone to discover amazing Twitter Spaces. This is the landing page. Search with any word, hit the search button, and there you would have your results. Live spaces are displayed on a green background. Scheduled spaces are displayed on a gray background. You would also see the number of live participants. You click on the join button, that takes you straight to Twitter, where you can then join in the conversation. You can also search with other terms like the hashtag. So here, use election hashtag. You click on the set reminder to be notified when the space starts. You would notice that the time on the website is displayed in GMT, whereas on Twitter you would actually see the correct time based on your time zone. Here I'm also searching with a username. So if you want to see the space being hosted by a particular user, you can just put the user's Twitter name, username, and then you search. We've also catered for situations whereby there are no results for your search term. So you'll be notified that there are no spaces matching your search term. Alright, now let's go to the real web. This web app has been deployed. Just visit tweetspaces.com and you can do everything I just did in the developer environment. You can do that as well on the real web. So this is available to every Tom, Dick and Harry. Cheers.